Question number 1 under Roman 6. A man walks on a straight road from his home to a market 2.5 km away with a speed of 5 km per hour. Finding the market closed, he instantly turns and walks back home with a speed of 7.5 km per hour. Find the average velocity and the average speed of the man over the time interval 0 to 50 minutes. So here, since it travels 2.5 km and returns back, so total distance travel will be 5 km and displacement will be 0. So average velocity is 0. Then average speed V is equal to total distance by total time. Let for forward journey time taken is T1. For the return journey time taken is T2. T1 is distance traveled is 2.5 divided by velocity is 5, that is 1 by 2 hours, and for the return journey time is T2 is distance traveled is 2.5 divided by 7.5, that is equal to 1 by 3. And substituting we get 5 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 5 divided by LCM is 6, 3 2s are 2 3s are, so we get 5 into 6 divided by 5, that is 6 km per hour. The next question is, a car travels the first third of a distance with a speed 10 km per hour. And second third at 20 km per hour, and the remaining third distance with 60 km per hour. Find the mean speed or average speed. Let the total distance traveled is x, then x by 3 traveled with 10, x by 3 traveled with 20, and remaining x by 3 traveled with 60 km per hour. Then average speed is the total distance by total time. Then total distance is x, total time is t1 plus t2 plus t3. Here t1 is equal to distance x by 3 into velocity, that is x by 30. Here t2 is equal to x by 3 into velocity is 20, that is x by 20, x by 60, sorry. And t3 is equal to x by 3 into 60, that is x by 180. If I substitute these values in this equation, x divided by x by 30 plus x by 60 plus x by 180, that is x divided by, if I take x common, I get 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 180. X gets cancelled. LCM is 180. 1 divided by 36 are 63 are 80, 181 are, we get 180 divided by 10, that is 18 km per hour. Third question. A bullet moving with a speed 150 meter per second strikes a tree and penetrates 3.5 centimeters before stopping. What is the magnitude of its retardation in the tree and the time taken for it to stop? Using equations of motion, we can find it. Acceleration is equal to v square minus u square by 2s, that is v square is 0 square minus u square is 150 into 150 divided by 2 into s is 3.5 into 10 power minus 2. On solving this we get the answer, that is 3.2 into 10 power 5 meter per second square. And time, from this equation we get time is v plus 80. Since v is equal to 0, time is nothing but u by A, if I take only the magnitudes, that is U is 150 and A is 3.2 into 10 power 5, then we get the desired answer 4.6 into 10 power minus 4 second. Next question is a motorist drives north for 30 minutes at 85 km per hour. At 85 km per hour, then he stops for 15 minutes. He continues traveling north and covers 130 km in 2 hours. Then what is the total displacement? So distance traveled is nothing but velocity into time, that is 85 km per hour, and the time is travels for 30. This is the distance traveled, and he travels another 130 km in 2 hours. X is equal to 130 km. Therefore, total distance traveled x is equal to x1 plus x2, that is 3 5 are 15, 3 4 8 are 24, 25 km per hour. Here it is 30 minutes means 1 by 2. So we get 42.5 km. Here we get 130. So 130 plus 42.5 will be 172.5 km is the displacement. Then what is the average velocity? Average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. Total time is 2.75 hour, because first he travels 30 minutes, then he takes rest for 15 minutes, and then he travels 2 hours. Total time is 2 over 2.75 hours. If we solve this one, we get 62.7 km per hour.